I think one thing that's really special about the program here is that we're super student focused in terms of making sure that we're mindful not just of learning facts and information about psychology, but really engaging with psychology in the program. So something really cool that we do is we have these project-based courses where we get people, our students, into the community. We get civic engagement, we get group work and cultural kind of diversity activities all into each of our courses, so that once you're finished with a psychology program, you will have just a ton of different types of experience, a breadth of different kinds of knowledge, the ability to think critically.
One thing that SOU promotes is multicultural background, the way that they integrate, knowing everything about the client and the patient, and not just treating them as a disease or as a disability or disorder. But getting to know them, and that's something that they work with, being able to counsel and work with all of your skills and round yourself out.
I think the psychology program is, it's a unique program because there's a lot of different subdisciplines and areas that you can go with a psychology degree, and in our program we try to capture a lot of the variety in the field.
SOU is a great place to come to study psychology because you can work with some pretty fascinating peers and also faculty mentors. There's a lot of opportunity to work more directly with faculty on research or developing a capstone project that might help set you up for your career or explore a new area of psychology. There's a lot of opportunity there.
Psychology major is a great one for people who are looking to go into basically any context where people skills are important, and that can be in business fields, research fields, and of course what people generally think of, which is going into like clinical kinds of practice, working with people, with patient populations and so on. A lot of that work does require a graduate degree. However, at the undergraduate level you are able to get into positions, at least entry-level positions, that do involve working with people.
The classroom sizes are small, so even though I've only been here less than a year, like I actually know students in the psychology department, and you know, we see each other on campus and we say hi, or we're in clubs together. So it's really a nice little community to really get to know your cohort or your classmates.
Coming to SOU, being a part of the psychology program, you are going to get personal attention, you're going to get time with your professors, you're going to get to know the other students, and you're really going to have a rich, rewarding experience. And the reality is we were all first-time college students too at one point, and so we've all been in your shoes, and we don't forget that, and we will help you every step of the way.